Hello and welcome to Zee Business. I am Bharat Upadhyay and today we are at the National Stadium in Delhi where Vivo is showcasing its first foldable smartphone, the Vivo X Fold in India. This is how it looks. We will be talking about this new foldable smartphone in this video. So without any delay, let's start. This is the global unit we have. Company is yet to make announcement on the India launch. Let's talk about design now. The Vivo X Fold is coming in two color options. We have the blue one right now and it has a leather back as you can see and quad camera setup at back. The phone looks beautiful, stunning, and look at the screen size, and when you unfold the smartphone it looks pretty, and when you compare it with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 it has a larger and bigger screen. Overall I can say it has potential to meet the demands of users in India.